how to set up your Linktree for free. Hey guys, in this video I'll share with you how simply you can set up, use and grow your business with Linktree completely for free. Linktree allows you to create a personalized and customizable page that houses all the important links that you want to share with your audience. It's a link in bio solution that can be used on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and more. Basically, Linktree makes it easy and super convenient for your audience to access all your important online resources from one convenient online destination. Before we move ahead, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you get daily updated with content like this. To get started with Linktree, we first need to create a Linktree profile. To do this, simply head on to your browser and type linktr.ee and it will brought you to this home page. And you can also download Linktree on your mobile. Linktree is actually built for mobile devices. This is because the majority of social media channels that you use on a daily basis only have one destination to embed a link. For example, in Instagram, you can only embed a link on only one place, which is your bio. And by adding your single Linktree link, your visitors can simply click on a link and that's going to take them to a visually engaging landing page where you have displayed all your important links. So today I am going to set up my Linktree profile on our desktop. So now to get started, first you have to add your business name or brand name, like I am writing here tutorial for now, and hit claim your Linktree. And now you have to write a username here. So I will write and make sure that this username is available and then hit continue. After that, write your name here and scroll down and choose the type of your business from this category. I will choose entertainment for now, and below there I have some more categories and I will choose publication and digital media for now. You can choose which best fits your business. And that is going to take us to this pricing option, and for today we are just going with free forever plan, and free plan is sufficient for small business and entrepreneurs and creators. And then scroll down and click on get free. And now we are done with creating our Linktree account. And here I am inside my Linktree account, and now I'll head over to add new link over here, and I just have to enter the URL of my website or maybe my any social media handles. I just have to copy it and paste it here, and after that hit on add. Title is auto generated, but you can edit it if you want. Now down here I have some features which I can add to each link, like I have redirect over here where I can temporarily send all visitors straight to a link instead of my Linktree link, and I only have access to this if I have a paid plan. And next to it I have thumbnail. This is a icon or image which I can change for my website, and next to it I have prioritize where I can draw attention to my most important link. Again, I can only access it if I have a paid plan. After that I have schedules. I can schedule when my link and notification go live, and it's also available for only paid users. And then we have this lock where if I enable it, my visitors can only access this link by fulfilling certain criteria. And at last we have this basic analytics. And as you can see on my right side, I have this preview of how my Linktree will look like from the perspective of my visitors. And to add more link, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on add link and just simply fill out the information. Next to links, I have this appearance. It is overall look of my Linktree profile. Under this, I first want to add my profile, which can be logo of your business or maybe profile image of your business. And here is my profile title, and here in the bio I can write a brief description about my business. And if I scroll down over here, I have these themes. And if I scroll down, and I like this spread theme, so I'll just preview it, and it looks great on my profile, so I'll keep it. And down over here I have this custom backgrounds. I can choose anywhere I want, and I can also change background color from here. Below them I can choose how my buttons will look like, how buttons on profile will look like. And then we have this fonts, and there are two types of font, free and paid. You can choose which one you like from here. If I navigate down further, I have option to hide the Linktree logo. So as you can see at the bottom of the profile of your visitors will see the Linktree logo, but for this you need a paid plan. Now if I head over to analytics, this is where I can see how my profile is performing right now. After that we navigate to settings. Down here I have access to important settings now. With the free plan, most of the settings are limited, but today I'll cover all the free options. Now I have this option to enable the support banner. This allows me to show support for important causes with a profile banner. Now if I navigate down, I have this commerce integration where I can start collecting tips or payments or sell products and services and more. And you can do this completely with free your Linktree. Then I navigate down, leaving all these premium settings. I have social icons. This is where I can display links to my social media profiles and more. Now I am done with setting my Linktree profile. So here I am going to navigate to this share button up here. And this is your main link, which you can copy and add to all of your different social media channel as well as other online destination where you drive traffic to your Linktree account. Simply click on copy, and you can also have a QR code. You can embed this QR code to physical marketing activities as well as online content on social media posts, so that your visitors can simply scan them and visit your Linktree. And if I hit back, I can share my Linktree profile across different channels. For example, if I click here, I can share it on Facebook, on LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp and more. And if I click here, I'll be able to share it on many other like Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Okay, so that was all we needed to know about Linktree. Linktree is a powerful platform that you can use to your social media channels to ultimately grow your business, and hope you guys find this helpful. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll surely catch you up in the next one.